Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trezor Suite for firmware. To activate Trezor Suite for firmware update and recovery, start by connecting your Trezor device to your computer using a USB cable. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Trezor website. Click on the Trezor Suite option available on the home page. You may be prompted to download the Trezor Suite application. If you haven't already installed the application, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Trezor Suite application on your computer. Wait for the application to recognize your Trezor device. Follow the prompts on your screen to enter your PIN, if necessary. Once your device is connected, navigate to the Firmware section located in the Settings menu. Check if there is a firmware update available for your device. If an update is available, click on the Update button to begin the process. Read through the warning messages carefully before proceeding with the update. Confirm that you want to proceed with the firmware update. The installation will begin, and this may take a few minutes. Do not disconnect your Trezor device during the update process. Once the update is complete, your Trezor will restart automatically. If you're looking to perform a recovery, return to the main menu in Trezor Suite. Click on the Recover Wallet option to initiate the recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your recovery seed phrases. Make sure to stay calm and enter your phrases carefully. Once the recovery process is completed, you will regain access to your wallet. You have now successfully activated Trezor Suite for firmware update and recovery. Your Trezor device is now equipped with the latest features and your wallet is restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.